So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hasanul Banna Himel. Today we are diving into the world of Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short. If you have ever wondered that what AWS is all about and how it can benefit you, you are in the right place. So, let's get started. So, what is AWS? AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive and widely adopted cloud platform offered by Amazon. It provides a range of cloud computing services, including computing power, storage, and databases, all delivered over the internet. In simpler terms, AWS allows you to rent computing resources like servers and storage from Amazon instead of owning and maintaining physical hardware. This makes it easier to scale your applications and services according to your needs. So, why should you consider using AWS? Here are some key benefits. At first, we have scalability. AWS allows you to scale your resources up or down based on your requirements, whether you need more power during peak times or can reduce resources when traffic slows down. AWS makes it easy. Number 2, cost effective. With AWS, you pay only for what you use. There is no need to invest in expensive hardware upfront. You can start small and scale as needed, making it a cost-effective solution. Number 3, global reach. AWS has data centers all around the world. This means you can deploy your applications closer to your users, improving performance and reducing latency. Fourth, security. AWS provides a secure environment with numerous compliance certifications. They have built-in security features to help protect your data. And finally, flexibility. AWS supports a wide range of technologies and platforms, so you can use the tools and languages you are comfortable with. Then, now let's look at the AWS core AWS services, or the core services AWS offers. At first, we have our Amazon EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. You can launch virtual servers known as instances to run applications and services. Secondly, Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service. S3 offers scalable storage in the cloud. You can store and retrieve any amount of data at any time with high availability and durability. Number 3, Amazon RDS, or Relational Database Service. RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It supports various databases engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. And in fourth, we have AWS Lambda. Lambda lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. You simply upload your code and AWS handles the rest. And finally, we have Amazon CloudWatch. CloudWatch monitors your AWS resources and applications in real time. You can set up alarms and view logs to ensure everything is running smoothly. These are just a few examples. AWS offers a broad range of services to meet different needs, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to networking and content delivery. And that's a wrap on our introduction to AWS. We have covered what AWS is, its benefits, and some of its core services. I hope this video gives you a good starting point for exploring cloud computing with AWS. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on AWS and other tech topics. If you have any question or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.